activated to warn us of something of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Warning Device for station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous
one tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manna, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, in Delaware, Kent and Sussex. In New Jersey, Cape May. In Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chincoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.